Yawning isn't just a sign you're tired, it's your body's natural way to reset. When you yawn, you draw in a deep breath, which increases oxygen flow to your brain and helps cool it down. This process signals your nervous system to shift into a calmer state, reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, and promoting balance. Yawning also encourages the release of dopamine, which can boost mood and alertness. So, next time you catch yourself yawning, don't fight it. It's your body's built-in tool to fight fatigue, restore hormonal balance, and help you feel more like yourself.